Foley is all about creating sound effects, and usually we do that for TV dramas and films. Here, I'm actually making live sound effects on stage, and the idea behind that is to expose the mechanics of the show, so you can see me creating sounds on the side of the stage. I come in at the start of rehearsals and I try to find all the props that maybe have been used before, or we find new props because I like to try and create some new sound effects every time I do this show. So usually I have a good idea of what prop will make the right sound for what sound effect. In Act 2 with the trials, I make the sound of fire, and we start off with just a very light sound. So the cellophane makes the crackle. In the show, there are several moments when the stage moves, but there's a particular moment where I join in with the sound. There's this slinky. And you can really, I think, recognise the sound of the lasers from Star Wars. This is apparently how they made. It's really obvious with sound if it goes wrong. So if I drop something or break something, then the audience will really hear it because the microphones pick up every sound that I make. This is my little bit of rain. It's my umbrella. So my biggest challenge, I would say, is to try and be very precise with the sounds that I'm making. It's a very gentle sound, and I have to prepare the props. I have them all in specific places on shelving so that I can then grab the right prop and put it in position ready for the next scene. This is videotape. So what I'm trying to get with this is a sound, but also the visual effect of the rain as well. I've been with the production for quite a few years, so we have some sounds that are established. They're the things that we do through every production. This is my wind machine. But what we really like to do is to develop the sounds. So if you saw the production 10 years ago, you won't recognise it. We've actually added new sound effects.